Hooty hoo, all my stock market gamblers. Today is Monday, September 28th. The markets are open and I am Tall Mike. Anyways, today we're going to talk about, is the stock correction over? Anyways, we opened up today higher and we went higher. We're up about 500 points on the Dow right now as I'm doing this recording. Anyways, is the correction over? So many people, they have the philosophy to buy the dips, buy the dips, buy the dips. You hear it from the Robin Hood traders. You know, Tesla drops, buy the dip. It can only go higher. It can only go higher. And that's been working. It's been working. Anyways, right now, though, I'm telling you, things are changing. Things are changing. I think it's time to sell the rips. Sell the rips. The rip higher today, the rip higher Friday to today, we may have one more day left, which is tomorrow, Tuesday. Okay, so why do I want to sell this? What have we got? Well, first of all, we're going into October, and October usually is a very scary month for the stock market. Maybe that's why they put Halloween in October. I don't know. Stock market is scary in October. We have the presidential elections on Tuesday night. So what do I think is going to happen? I think Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we're going to sell off. We're going to sell off this rip. The correction, I don't think it's over. I think we're going to have another leg down. I know they want to hold the market up for the election. They're pumping money into it from all directions. But anyways, I would be selling this rally. It's called sell the rip. I am not buying the dips. Has been working, and I've been a believer in that for a long time, but things are changing now. Things are changing. We may get a changing of the guard at the president position. We don't know. We don't know. Things are, when the market doesn't know, it doesn't like uncertainty. So we may start to see the pullback. The VIX is telling us that there's going to be a pullback. Now, I know the VIX is lower today, but the options, when you look at the options dated far out, they're expecting higher VIX into October. So we'll see. We'll see. Anyways, what I want to talk about as a better plan than buying the dip or selling the rip is buying the gift. Buy the gift. What am I talking about? Right now, the market is giving you a gift. And what is that gift? The gift is gold. GLD. The gift is silver. SLV. Now, you hear me talk about this a lot, but I want to address a couple of things. A lot of people have been, they've been saying to me, Mike, I don't want to buy gold here. It's too high. It's almost at a record. Well, it is. You are correct. You are absolutely correct. Now, why do I say this is a gift? Because gold is at a record nominally. That is correct. I mean, the old record was 1900. We broke through it. We went to 2100. And now we pulled back from 2100 down to 1850. Now, we may get another $100 off. You may be able to buy it at 1750, but I think that's about as low as you're going to get it. Now, people say when there's a vaccine that comes out, okay? They say the reason gold is up at these record highs is because we have a virus, because we have a pandemic. As soon as the vaccine comes, they say gold is going to drop like a rock and the stock market's going to go up like a rocket ship. Well, I disagree with this. Let me tell you why. Now, that may be the initial bounce. Every time they float out that story that we have a vaccine for the virus, the stock market does tend to rally. But what they're going to find out is that the damage in the stock market is already done. Okay? In the economy itself, they think that this economy is just going to bounce back. It's not going to just bounce back. There's going to be 20 to 25% unemployment rate still. These jobs are not coming back. We're in Great Depression times. So yeah, we may get an initial bounce if they come out with the vaccine in the market, but there's too much damage done. There's too much damage, and once people realize that the market's not going to come straight back, that the economy's not going to come straight back, you're going to see that market sell off after the vaccine announcement. Now, on the vaccine announcement, will that send gold plummeting? If it does, that is a big gift. But I don't think so. I don't think it's going to plummet on the news of a vaccine. I really don't. Now, here's why. All right, so I think we're going to have a major financial crisis in this market. We're going to have a reset. It's going to reset things to where gold, 1 ounce of gold, is going to equal one of the Dow. Okay, right now the Dow is trading at, I'm just going to throw out a rough number, 28,000, let's say. And let's say gold, I know it's at 1850, but let's use a rough number. Let's call it 2,000. That's 14 to 1, okay? 14 ounces of gold to buy one of the Dow. All right. In 1932, which was right after the crash, the Great Depression, gold and the Dow, they became one. They were 1 to 1. This happened again in 1980. And 1 ounce of gold would buy you one of the Dow in 1980. So it happened in 1932. It happened in 1980. Is it going to happen again? I believe that it will. I believe that either gold is going to rally to 28,000. That's a little far-fetched. Or the Dow is going to drop down to 1,800. That's a little far-fetched. They're going to meet somewhere in the middle. Somewhere maybe around, could be around 6,000, could be 8,000, could be 10,000. The Dow Jones, the market is going to come down, and gold is going to go up to where they're even. That's correct. You heard me correct. Now, is it going to happen tomorrow? I don't think so. It could, but I don't think it's going to. We're not there yet. It may take a couple years, 3, 4 years to play out. But what you got to do is get yourself positioned right now so that you don't have to chase gold when it's up at 5,000. It's at 1,800 right now. This is the gift. You should be buying the gift. They're going to go to a 1 to 1 ratio. 1 to 1. Okay? Now, it's not going to happen tomorrow. But I am saying to position yourself with the gift that they're giving you right now. Now, you can do this a couple of ways. I do it with physical. You want to buy some physical gold, okay? You want to get out there and you want to buy physical gold, okay? That's the best way. Now, you can buy the GLD. I don't feel it's safe, though. When this thing resets, the GLD might collapse completely. Now, I do have long-dated options on the GLD all the way out till, I don't know, June of next year. Anyways, and it's not a bad way to play it. But you want to take advantage of this gift. Maybe you buy the GDX. The GDX is also a gift. Because gold is down, the GDX is in correction territory also. When gold goes 1 to 1 with the Dow, the GDX is going to be a moonshot. It's going to make Tesla stock look like it was nothing. Anyways, a moonshot is coming in the GDX and the GDXJ. Once gold hits 1 to 1. So anyways, don't concern yourself, my point is, with buying the rip, buying the dip, selling the rip. I got that backwards. But anyways, buy the gift what the market's giving you right now. The market is handing you this gift. It's handing you the GDXJ in correction territory, the GDX correction territory, the GLD in correction territory. But get some physical gold, for crying out loud. You want to have this in your possession when this big reset comes. And believe me, it's going to come. Now, is it coming tomorrow? Probably not. You got some time left. I'm just telling you to get yourself positioned for this. All right. So anyways, that's my point. Buy the gift. Forget about buying the dip. Forget about selling the rip, although I did sell some today. I'm a seller into this rip. But buy the gift that they're giving you. Now do me a favor. Okay, anyways, hopefully you like this. Hopefully this was some good information. Hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and punch it. Be a subscriber. We'll have little talks like this. It's fun, isn't it, right? Now if you want to have some stock market secrets, just go to stockmarketgambler.com and let me give you some of my trading secrets. I'll just put in your name and email. I'll give them to you for free. Anyways, it's Monday. It's going to be an interesting week. Presidential debates on Tuesday. I'm saying we're going to get a sell-off after that. We'll see if I'm right. That's just my hunch. It's a hunch. But I'm selling this rip and I'm buying the gift. Anyways, get out there, enjoy your Monday, and have a great trading day, and we'll talk real soon. I'm Tall Mike. Have a great day.